Hello, this is Team Credit Masters, and our topic is research on building alternative credit rating model with AI. The objectives of this research are performing a systematic review of peer-reviewed research on using AI to build alternative credit rating systems, and development of a machine learning classification model that uses non-financial information to predict the tendency of individuals to achieve long-term financial stability. So, what is an alternative credit rating system? Alternative credit rating system refers to use of non-financial data such as behavioral, demographic, psychometric, etc. to predict likeliness of an individual to pay back loans. To grade a credit score for a loan applicant, traditional banks and financing companies use data such as net worth of an individual, liquidity information, past financial transactions, past bank loan repayment information, etc. Whereas an alternative credit rating firm would use something like app usage data on phone, spending behavior, mobile and other utility bill payment records, etc. Main activities of this project are performing a complete systematic review of peer-reviewed research on using AI to build alternative credit scoring systems, and using machine learning to predict tendency of households to achieve long-term financial stability. For the first main activity, an extensive systematic review was performed for two different search keyword sets. The selection of papers took place over 5 phases, where from an initial search result of 280 papers, 17 high-quality papers were selected to observe trends and draw insights about research work in the domain of AI for alternative credit rating systems. In the second main activity, to anticipate tendency to achieve long-term financial stability of individuals, a real-world survey dataset of Korean households was used as input for developing a machine learning classification model to predict whether individuals invested their spare funds into real estate. After careful consideration of relevant successful research trends over the years, selected types of machine learning models were used to perform the prediction task. And here are all the 5 phases of the first main task, the systematic review of research studies, where from an initial search result of 280 papers, 17 papers were selected over 5 phases after quality assessment involving 4 different judges. And here's the list of alternative data sources used in the 17 selected studies. Here are examples of some of the insights from the systematic review. The top left plot shows the trend of published works over the years, and the top right plot shows the countries from which the studies were from, and the bottom plot shows how authors from different countries got the data for their studies. This slide shows the information on count of machine learning methods used in the selected studies. It seems tree-based methods were the most used type of machine learning model. This is the dataset we used for our second main activity for experiments. The source of the dataset is as specified to the left. To the right are the features in the dataset. And here are the results of our experiment. The target variable was whether individuals invested their spare funds into real estate. And the problem setting is just binary classification. The classifier models we use have been shown to the right in the table. The most successful method was random forest with 80% accuracy. Thank you for listening.